today we will be blending CVC. CVC stands for consonant of vowel consonant. Let me introduce to you first the word family. Word family: add, am, and, ap, at. A, d, a, d. Let's blend these two together. Add. Add. How do you read that? Correct. Add. So how do you read that? So the sound of letter A is A. The sound of letter D is D. Let's blend these two together. A, d. Add. Faster. Add. Add. Very good. How do you read that? Add. Correct. So you have to remember that word and how you read it, because we will be blending it with another letter. So how do you read that? It's add. Very good. D, d, d. Add. D, add. D, add. Dad. 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 L, l, l. Add. L, add. Lad. 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 Very good. Mm. 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 Add. Add. Mad. Mad. Correct. Mad. P, p, p. Add. Pad. 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 Add. Add. Sad. 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 Now we will read those words again, but it will be you who will read it first. Okay? Correct. Dad. Correct. Lad. Correct. Mad. Correct. Pad. Correct. Sad. Very good. Next word family is, okay, the sound of letter A is ah. 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 The sound of letter M is mm. Mm. Let's blend these two together. Ah. Mm. Am. So how do you read that? Correct. Am. So you have to remember that word family, am. You have to remember that. D, d, d. Am. Da, am. Dam. Dam. Correct. So read it again. Very good. Dam. Next word. Ham, ham, ham. So how do you read that? Ham. Very good. Ham. J, j, j. J, jam, jam, jam. So how do you read that? Jam. Correct. R, r, r. Ram, ram, ram. So read the word again. Correct. Ram. Sam, Sam, Sam. Read it. Sam. Correct. Sam. P, p, p. Pam, pam, pam. Correct. Pam, pam. Let us read the words again, but you will be the one to read them first. Correct. Dam. Correct. Ham. Correct. Jam. Correct. Sam. Correct. Pam. Very good. Isn't it easy? Now let's go to the next word family. The sound of letter A is ah. The sound of letter N is N. Let's blend these two together. Ah, N, an, an, an. So how do you read that? Very good. An. You have to remember it because we will be blending it with another letter. K, k, k. An, k, an, can, can. Read it. Very good. Can, can. An, an, fan, fan. Very good. Fan. Read it. Correct. Fan. Mm. 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 An. Man. 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 Read it. Man. Correct. Man. P, p, Read the word pan. Correct. Pan. T, t, t. An. T, an. Tan. Tan. Read it. Tan. Tan. Let's read the words again, but you have to read them first. Correct. Can. Correct. Fan. Correct. Man. Correct. Pan. Correct. Tan. Very good. Let's go to another word family. The sound of letter A is ah. 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 The sound of letter P is a P. 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 Let's blend these two together. Let's blend these two together. Up. 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 Correct. Up. So how do you read that? Very good. Up. Up. Again, you have to remember the word family up because we will be blending it with another letter. K, k, k. Up. K, up. Cap. Cap. So how do you read that word? Correct. Cap. L, l, l. Up. L, up, lap. Lap. Correct. Lap. Read it again. Very good. Lap. Mm. 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 Up. Up. Map. Map. Correct. Read the word again. Map. Map. N, n, n. Up. Nap. 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 Read the word again. Correct. Nap. Nap. T, t, t. Up. T, up. Tap. 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 Read the word again. Correct. Tap. Tap. Let's read again the words, but you have to read them first. Correct. Cap. Correct. Lap. Correct. Map. Correct. Tap. Very good. Let's go to word family. The sound of letter A is A. The sound of letter T is T. Let's blend these two together. A, T. At. 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 Again. Correct. At. Louder. say it 3 times. At. Very good. B. At. B. At. Bat. Bat. Read the word. Correct. Bat. Bat. K. At. At. Cat. Cat. Read the word again. Very good. Cat. Cat. At. Hat. 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 Read the word. Correct. Hat. Hat. At. Mat. 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 Read the word again. Correct. Mat. Mat. P. At. Pat. 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 Read the word again. Very good. Pat. Pat. S. 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 At. Sat. 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 Correct. Sat. Read the word again. Sat. Very good. Sat. Let's read the words again, but you have to read them first. Correct. Cat. Correct. Hat. Correct. Mat. Correct. Pat. Correct. Sat. Very good. Let's read this 3 times. Add. Very good. Let's read this 3 times. Am. Let's read this 3 times. An. Let's read this 3 times. App. Let's read this 3 times. At. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.